Well, a little update on the deck. Mistakes were made last night, rushing it, trying to get it done in an hour. And we were running the level on 2 planes, and we forgot one more plane to check the level on. And by the time we got to the end of the framing, the deck had a slope, about a 2-inch slope going away from the house. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So we were leveling here, all the way down here. And then we're leveling the post, make sure all was square. Everything was good, but we forgot to level these straights right here. And basically what happened was, the further we got down, it started sloping more and more and more and more until we got to the end. And then that's when we found out that basically the whole level of it was messed up. So I had to fix that today. Basically what I did was I jacked up one of the spots where it started getting, I jacked it up where the level started drooping down, jacked it up till it was leveled, put a support beam right here so everything's back to level on that plane. All this is all level except for this plane right here. So we're all level again, and I just set all the posts in the concrete, make sure everything was level, put some plumbs there, some supports, so everything has concrete now where it's all level. So it's all leveled up right here. That's all the way down right there. So now that's level. I'm gonna wait for that to set up real quick. I'll remove all this, and then we'll work going down here, doing the same thing, just jacking it up and finding the level plane, and then setting the posts in concrete, and then that's it. We were just trying to get the frame up so that way I could do all the concrete today. That's why none of these have got concrete. Well, if you don't do concrete, some stuff moves and gets out of level, so that's really what happened. But I'm gonna get everything leveled again, shoot all the concrete in all these holes, and then this whole framing should be done today. I'll finish up the hangers. Well, this is as far as I got today. Ran out of screws. Went and laid in a couple more boards. Going down here. This is a pretty long deck. I think it's 70 feet long. Still got some more work. While I'm waiting for screws to come in, they should come Sunday. I'm gonna start loading up some more boards and putting them on the deck, so I'm already ready for when the screws come, I can start knocking them down again. I had a pretty good rhythm going. You know, it's all good until you run out of the screws. We'll see y'all guys Sunday or Monday.